to my channel Bubbles V, and this is Bubbles again with another makeup tutorial. This is the episode number blah 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 from series Get Ready with Bubbles. And for this makeup look I am wearing this shimmer, like purple shimmery dress. I bought this dress from Amazon and I will link the product in the description box, so go and check it out from there. And with this dress I have created this smoky purple makeup look. Okay, so before we jump into a video and know how I created this makeup look, I want to say sorry to all of you, to all my subscribers out there, those who are watching me, because I was not like regular on my channel from last 1 month because my exams were there. So from now I am very boosted up and I will upload video every single week, so go and check it out and stay tuned on my channel. Okay, so if you are a new one and you're watching me for the very first time, so I am Bhumi Kushwaha and I create such kind of content. I am a beauty and fashion blogger. I make hauls video, I make beauty video, I make skin care, body care videos. And if you're interested in such kind of content, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any of my video, and whenever I upload any video you will get the first notification. Okay, so let's jump into our video. Since it's a winter time and I am creating this look in a winter season, so the first thing I am using is this oil. This is by Mars Glitter Primer Oil, and it's a very nice moisturizer and gives a very nice glow to your skin, and it's totally affordable. Okay, like just massage your skin with this. It is of 70 ml and it cost me, I don't know about its cost, I don't remember it, but it was within 200, and it has been a year since I bought this and I just only consumed this amount of oil from this bottle. So yeah, it's very affordable. You have to just invest your 200 rupees, like less than 200 rupees in it, and it will work for you for entire year. If you are a very आप बहुत मेकअप करते हो, like even though I do apply makeup a lot, but yes, it's a very nice product to purchase it. It's very affordable. Massage with this oil and just keep it over your face for 15 minutes, and till then you can do your nails, you can do any other things. Okay, so till this oil gets absorbed to my skin, I am starting off with my eye makeup. So for that I am using this concealer. It's a pen stick concealer from I think Neon. इसका नाम मिट गया है, but it is from Neon. It's a pen stick concealer and it is a very nice shade. The shade is 03. Neon pen stick shade 03. It's a concealer and it's a very nice concealer and it suits on my skin tone very well. And now I am just blending this. Okay, so for my eye shade I am using this shade. My dress is a glittery purple. It's a shimmer dress, so I am using this. Just avoid this. I am using this. Will take this shade, will apply it on my crease like this. I will take a little bit more of this shade. We'll blend it. this. And now we'll take a black shade and we'll apply it on my crease like this. Only on the outer crease, just to give it a smoky look. To the inner corners of my eyes. Now I am taking this shimmer, will apply it on my lids with my hands. And will blend it with the same blending brush. Now I will be taking this purple shimmer like this. Now I will apply this eyeliner. It's a Blue Heaven eyeliner. It's eyeliner waterproof and it's 7 ml and it costs you around within 100 rupees and it's very affordable. You can use it for your daily purpose also. Now I will use this L18 eye kajal. It's an eye drama bold black kajal. It is smudge proof and use it for a daily purpose also, and it is also very affordable. In winter sometimes happens that such kajal doesn't work on you because they get so dry. So what you can do is just scratch it on your skin and you can apply this oil, the oil which I told you in the starting. This is a Mars primer oil, and then you can use it. It will become quite smoother than before. We'll do the same makeup on this eye. Okay, so I am done with makeup on my both the eyes. Now for this mess that has happened under our eyes, you can clean it with a tissue paper or you can even use micellar water for it. But I am just using tissue paper only, like this. For my foundation, I am using this Color Queen Flawless Excellence Flawless Foundation. And it is 65 ml and it is in a glass bottle. And it's a very nice foundation. It is a full coverage and very good to use in winters because it is very creamy base and it goes very nice with your skin. It's a very flawless foundation and gives you a very flawless base, so you can use it in winter, especially in winters. It is recommended, highly recommended for winters. And even though if your foundation that you are having with yourself is not so much covering, so this oil which I have told you in the starting of this video will make each and every foundation go flawlessly over your skin, especially in winters. So for winters, these two products are highly recommended. Important for you to contour when you're going to a party because it should look good, right? You can't go without contouring your face. just blend it nicely, very nicely, and give like lot of time in blending your makeup. That's what I always say into my videos, because that's what makes your skin and your makeup look absolutely gorgeous. I will use this compact powder to secure my makeup. Now in the end, after I apply, like I blend all my makeup, I always use the powder contour to powder my face, because I have a very chubby face, so I need to powder, like contour it very much. If you also have a chubby face, you also try to this step. Okay, so now the last thing is highlighter, and for highlighting and even for bronzing, I used the name of the company is Matte Look, and it is a 2-in-1 bronzer and highlighter. Here we got highlighter and here we got bronzer, so it's also a very nice product. So in a New Year party, you should definitely put shimmer over your face, because chamakna to hai na. Okay? Don't use the front part, use this part and dab it. This is the shine that you will get for your party look. Okay, so for lips, let's just try which lipstick suits this makeup. What I have kept in my mind that I will go with nude lips. So since I don't go absolutely nude for my lips, I will first line up with my and in the lipstick I'm using this lipstick. It's a Color Care London 27 Brown Sugar. The shade is this. Okay, so just wait for 2 seconds for my final look, and I'll meet you after my hair done. So this is my final look. Okay, so this is my final look. I hope you liked my look. I hope you liked my video. So if you liked it, do give it a time to like it before going, because you people don't like any of my videos. And do share it with your friends, and you don't even share it. So please do share it, and do subscribe to my channel for such kind of content. So thank you so much for watching it. Bye bye. I'll meet you in my next video.